In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your engine torque strut mount on your Chevy Sonic. It's located underneath the vehicle. You shouldn't have to support your engine or transmission when doing this particular mount. This isn't supporting the downward motion, it's supporting the side-by-side. Using an 18mm socket, you're going to remove this bolt. Using a swivel and an 18mm socket, I'm going to remove this bolt. There is no nut on the other side, it's threaded. Remove that bolt. That bolt is shorter, just to make a mental note. Now we're going to remove our mount. So I pulled down on the front and then moved it off to the side and pulled it out. Do the same thing, only in the reverse order. You're going to put this end in first, slide it in, pull down, slide it up, and line up your holes. You got one here to look for and one here. It's always a good idea to clean your bolts before reinstalling. So just use a wire brush. Do the same for the other bolt. I'm going to start with this one, and I'm just going to get it started. And now we're going to go for this one. Let's snug those up, and then we'll torque them. I'm going to snug this one first. And then we'll go for the other one. Let's torque this to 59 foot-pounds and then go another 45 to 60 degrees. And now we're going to go 45 to 60 degrees. Now we're going to torque this one to the same. There's 59 foot-pounds, and now we're going to go 45 to 60 degrees again. Should be all set. Take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.